Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to the new AI funnel for the high level. That is amazing. It's amazing. You can just enable it, go into your agency and company and enable the AI funnel and go into your sub account, hit the sites, go to new funnel and look at that. It's a new Funnel AI. Great. Let's check this first time. Okay, here ask about for the business name. Let's put my name. This is just for test. Okay, the industry. Where is that? There's too many options here. I'm gonna choose the industry. Oh, I'm gonna choose the marketing consulting and hit next. And here, what we want to do is business. We need to make more lead or more appointment or showcase your service or sell product and service. Sorry, actual. I don't know which one. Let's get more lead. Let's try the first one. And here, ask the contact should be feel like friendly, professional, inspiration, all this stuff here. I think professional is better for this kind of business. And hit generate, and let's see the magic happen. This is the first time I use it. I don't know what's gonna happen, how it look like, and let's see. Let's watch together. I don't know how long it take, but I have patience for this new future. Go level, they have too many updates and upgrade today, too many new feature. You have to go to check them. There's a project future, object future, like there's a lot of stuff. There's, oh, if you see here, there is just this new one here. Quizzes. Ah, that's a new one. I have to figure out. Oh my god. Oh, we have the webinar here. Oh my god. There's a lot of stuff, guys. And I think, gonna take a couple days to figure out how to use them and how to be like make money from them. Okay, let's see what's going on. This is the design now. I don't know the background. I don't like the background here. Transfer your branch. Post your right today. See here. Just the picture is not really. No, no, the picture is not really cool. You can change it, but at least you have design. The color, if you need to change the color, like regular funnel bundle. Social media, the service, like the contact is good. I like it. The content is good. hmm Oh, that's nice. Just copy paste from your Google. Share your story. That's that's cool. Um, text. Oh, nice. So far, so good. Just need to change the picture. As you see, guys, this is just one thing new. Like in the 2024, like Funnel AI. Guys, go check it. That's amazing. You can make money for rebuilding. You can do like too many things with it. There's too many, way more now to make money with Go High Level. I love that shit. See you guys for the next video, and I hope you everybody gonna benefit from this future. Bye.